Okay. Again, we'll take it easy, you know. Disappears, man. Disappears, man. Can't go too far. We got 37. First time on the pack. On this one. This is the second pack. It's not performing as well as the other one. It's okay. It's okay. Takes a couple shots. Takes a couple shots. Let's make sure we're not killing the damn thing, right? Nice. You know, and I do realize that this thing needs to be kept pretty close. It's not going to be easy flying it far, that's for damn sure. And we're down to 24. I want to bring that down. Bring this down like this. Whoa. Wow. I don't know if I got confused or got a flyway. I don't know what it's doing. GPS is good. Alright, we'll land. Huh. Huh. I did some weird shit. That's 18. We're going to bring it in. That seems like a bad cell. Is that red? That shouldn't be red. Not. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, first time now. Alright, guys. So yeah, that one almost fell out of the sky. I don't know if you've seen it. Okay. Alright, so we landed at 18%, and it's not really saying that on the